Hi, this is Jim, and I'll be taking you through the June 2023 MES and MV2 release notes. This release had a number of great new enhancements. One of them is that we improved the way that sales order notes are displayed in shop packets so that they are better defined between the header comments and the line comments. And you can see this as an example in the following screenshot. Two other great features we've added are the ability to define a default whip grid filter for work centers in touchscreen and a default whip grid sort up to 3 levels of sorting. These allow the user to define how they would like their jobs displayed in WIP. And these settings can be defined per work center and are done through App Admin as seen in the screenshots. We've enhanced the quick filter search by retaining the search results within a work center even after performing transactions. That way, the user doesn't have to continue researching results after every transaction that they make. We also improved the quick filter search to always land on page 1 of the results. Another enhancement is that we've made it easier to use R-type and critical ratio in the WIP screen by adding external data R-type, which is the record type code, and critical ratio value as available variables within the MES template variables. And these can be seen in the following screenshots. Another thing that we did is we enhanced the manager operator feedback page to show the created date and to sort the feedback in descending order based on that created date. And this can be seen in the following screenshot. And the final improvement is that we've made the start and stop downtime buttons available in WIP, even after multiple jobs are selected in a multi-select mode. So that's what we have for this update. If you have any questions, please reach out to us through the contact information below.